Okay, November 21st, 8:55 a.m. I just cleaned the filter and dried it, and I'm going to put it back. So I just use this hair dryer. I don't ever use it because I don't use my hair dryer anymore. But I've dried it and cleaned, just washed it off and dried it. You can see where this corner is pinched. That's the corner that goes the top towards the front. I just want to say with regard to fans, this is not the first fan breakdown I've had. I used to have a Lasco standing fan that just broke down. It just stopped working earlier this year. That I had bought like last year sometime, I believe. Also, I had a box fan that I bought also in the Walmart. I believe that was last year as well. Just stopped working. So they're garbage. I threw them out a while ago. And as I said, the Hawaiian fan I bought last year also in the Walmart. And it squeaks for no apparent reason. And now I have a Dollar General that I just bought. Fan that I just bought this year that stopped working. Anyway, so now I'm going back. Oh, yeah, my flashlight works. It works. Yeah. Yeah, you see interesting things in this house, don't you? Oh, so the steps are this way. Steps are this way. So I have to turn around then. Yeah. Yeah, step on. Okay. So you see, I'm just trying to avoid these wires here, and like I say, if you look back in here, you see this plastic filter gets caught in here, the edges, and that's why I usually have to have a hard time straightening that out. Plus, you've got to bend it when you put it in. So. Like this. Okay. Now I've got to bend it in half and slide it up the side. This is basically what it is. I'm trying to see if I can prop this camera up on anything. I really don't have anything right now. So I don't know. I don't have anything. So I'm just going to have to leave it like this. I don't know. Now the floor is actually sloped, so that's as close as it's going to get then. Alright, looks like it's in there. Thank you. Actually, this one right here. That's right, so I just take this, put the thing to hold it in. I don't see any wires that are, the wires look alright. Alright. So, here, let me get this out here. Actually, I could have put it on here anyway. Turning the furnace back on. See, it doesn't, the bottom keeps flapping up. It's not in there correctly. Wow, this tape is long. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to put the cabinet back. This tape is 10 minutes, 20 seconds.